Hello my loves, I welcome you back again to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I made this lovely butterfly crop top. If this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video after watching. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. This is my fabric folded into 4 on the wrong side, and if you're a medium-sized person like me, 1.5 yards should be enough for you, although you can make it longer than this if you choose to, but for the purpose of this tutorial, this is just what we are making. So after folding your fabric into 4 this way, as if you want to cut a circle flare, you will just place your tape on that corner right there and determine how wide and how deep your neckline should be, but 4 inches by 4 inches is just okay. 4 inches by 4 inches, and you can use your free hand to create your curve. Then you determine how long you want it to be, more like the sleeve, the shoulder put together, and you just take it just the way I did, just take it all the way down. Okay, so for me, I just used almost the whole fabric for the sleeve, and I just went ahead to take it down. But then you can make it stylish, you can make your butterfly look different, you can play around with this style. After cutting, it should look like this. Again, I went ahead to cut out the neckline, and I'll be showing you how it looks when you open it up. For the neckline, I will just go ahead to pipe it with this orange color bias, and this is what it looks like. For the raw edge, I just went ahead to weave it. It's gonna be like this after weaving. You can see that it is already looking beautiful. So while the fabric is on the right side, you go ahead to iron it. It's now time to transfer my measurements, and I did it on the right side of the fabric. So I just went ahead to fold the fabric into 2 on the right side, and I'll be introducing my measurements. You want to make sure that everything is properly aligned. If possible, you can use your pins to secure the fabric. From that shoulder line, I will mark my armhole, but instead of marking my original armhole, I'll be adding, say, about 1.5 inches to 2 inches for easy wearing. So I will mark that right there. Then for the horizontal measurement, I will just divide my round bust measurement by 4, and I'll add maybe extra 1 inch to 2 inches for easy wearing, but I think 1.5 inches is just fine. Then for my half length or my waistline, I also marked it and added about 1.5 inches for seam allowance. So after marking those points, I'll just be joining them with my free hand. Okay, but if you notice, it's just on one side of the top. So what I'll go ahead to do is just to transfer the measurement by using my pins. So those points I marked, I just use my pins to poke those parts, and I use my chalk to mark it on the other end. I don't know if that makes sense. So I transfer the measurements. That's just the bottom line. Then I just went ahead to stitch on the lines. Very simple. So guys, here is the final look. Is it not gorgeous? And the choice of fabric is just great. You can rock it on your pants or anything at all. I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, kindly give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment and share.